Good morning, everyone. So, in English Skyline, last time we were taking a test paper on page number 92. We attempted this, right? Up till 4 and 5, these first 2 points on this page. And what we were doing, I was just reading for you. I was not helping you solving them, right? So, because this is the revision from 1st to 8th chapter. So we will continue this test paper today. So let us take this number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Radhika has a baby sister. Aisha draws a camel. We should be kind to the people. The men were making baskets from the leaves of coconut tree. Mice have white teeth. So you have to decide yourself with the help of chapters. If you do not know, you can take help of the chapters and you will mention whether it is true or false. Match the following. The child thinks of God. Now see the options also. Is sweet in taste. The God is sweet in taste. Or small faces, activity room, as a friend out of the garden. So you have to decide and tell. All the children are in the where? Activity room, right? We should keep weeds, coconut water, mice have. So whenever I read these sentences, incomplete sentences, there is a natural process that I want to complete them and I give answer. So I am trying not to give answers. Okay. So answer the following questions. They are question answer again from the chapters and you have all the answers, and this time you will rewrite the answers in your notebooks, right? So write a heading test paper, half yearly test paper. Write question number 1. What is there on the wall in John's new bedroom? Write like this and the answer. Next question. What is the profession of Radhika's father? Answer. What does the teacher ask Gurmeet to do? Answer. What did Raj choose to eat for breakfast? Answer. Why does no one like mice? Same, right? So write the names of the days of the week. You can easily write. Fill in the blanks with appropriate describing words. I ate a dash apple in the morning. So you can use your imagination here. Apple must be read like this, describing words, or we can say adjectives. My mother cooks dash food for me. Tasty food, healthy food, right? This is part of grammar, not from chapters. I have a dash crop. Chocolate has a dash taste. Circle the nouns in the given sentences. The bear is black. Noun. Okay, noun are naming words. Delhi is the capital of India. The monkey is jumping on the tree. Anita went to Spain. So all the naming words should be encircled. Only this, right? Only this in today's work. Next we will take English grammar. Thank you.